Hi guys, welcome again to Stormford Motors. Today we have the Subaru Outback 2015 model. This is currently in our unit and it's for quick sale, so let's dive into it. The 2015 Subaru Outback boasts a rugged and authentic exterior design that reflects its adventurous spirit. With its bold front grille, muscular wheel arches, and raised ground clearance, the Outback exudes confidence and capability on any terrain. The sleek profile and aerodynamic lines enhance its visual appeal while reducing wind noise and improving fuel efficiency. Available features such as roof rails, fog lights, and rugged cladding further enhance its versatility and functionality. As we step aside the 2015 Subaru Outback, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable interior designed with both driver and passenger in mind. The cabin is well appointed with quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and ergonomic design elements that create a welcoming and functional environment. The Outback offers ample room for 5 passengers, with generous headroom and legroom in both the front and rear seats. Technological features abound the 2015 Subaru Outback with user-friendly infotainment system, touchscreen display, and smartphone integration, providing seamless connectivity and entertainment on the go. The 2015 Subaru Outback has a symmetrical all-wheel drive system which provides enhanced traction stability and control in all weather conditions, whether navigating through rain, snow, gravel. The Outback delivers confidence, inspiring performance, and a sure foot on any road surface. The symmetrical design of the all-wheel drive system ensures balanced weight distribution, optimizing grip and handling in challenging driving conditions. Under the hood, the 2015 Subaru Outback is powered by a choice of efficient and responsive engines, including a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, or move to a more powerful 3.6-liter 6-cylinder engine. Both engines deliver strong acceleration and smooth power delivery, making the Outback equally adaptive in highway cruising and off-road adventures. The well-tuned suspension and precise steering further enhance its agility and maneuverability, providing a comfortable and composed ride on any terrain. Standard safety equipments include Subaru EyeSight driver assist technology, which incorporates features such as adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist, providing an extra layer of protection and peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. In addition to active safety systems, the Outback offers a robust array of passive safety features, including multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, traction control, and stability control. Thank you once again. This is Stormford Motors.